Yeah, we're recording. With your black shirt and the black dog, you guys kind of get mixing. Well, no, there's these two little stubby legs hanging out the bottom. Push it back up so you can see that her little feet don't even. There we go. Not even close. Oh, belly rub. Belly rub. Oh, there it is.
There it goes.
It's funny, his head's hanging off this end, going legs hanging off the other end. Free scratch for Amy.
I can't run around. I can't. Look, Mommy, I got Ray all on here. You dork.
Are you a Chihuahua, Nunu? Are you a Chihuahua? Are you a lap dog?
Chihuahua.
Are you a... Can you be a kitty cat and meow?
You dork. Look at me, Mommy. Look at me. I'm all...
As soon as I he's got to stand up.
Oh.
Attack of the Amy.
No kisses.
Oh, where's the kiss? Where's Amy's kisses? Where's her kisses?
I'm glad I'm not a man for where that all just went.
He does it too.